So, let us look at the steps followed by white hat hackers. The industry terms for white hat hackers are security auditors and security experts. So, we'll be using these terms interchangeably according to the context. Basically, we will understand how do security experts secure a system, and since we are learning about web application security, we will see how do security experts secure a web application. So the first step is legal documentation. When a security expert or a white hat hacker is employed by an organization to test the security of their website or web application, the first step is to record everything in writing. This phase involves signing an MOU or Memorandum of Understanding, which simply describes the testing activity and the steps that will be taken on a legal paper. An NDA or non-disclosure agreement is also signed by both the parties, where both the parties agree that they will not disclose any details of the exercise, such as cost, vulnerabilities found, details of researchers, etc. Apart from this, there is a financial agreement, which puts the cost on a legal paper. Documentation is an important part of the whole exercise. In this step, you decide all the terms and conditions for testing and the total fee that will be paid to the security expert. The second step is scope assessment. In this step, the security expert and the client decide the scope of the audit. So, they decide what parts of the web application need to be tested and the time it will take to do so. Next step is information assessment. In this, the client provides some information regarding the system to the security expert, and the expert then analyzes it. So the client may give some test accounts, details of the servers, backend languages, architecture of the web application, etc. The security expert analyzes this information and checks what information can be used in the upcoming phases. Vulnerability assessment. Now the security expert finds all possible vulnerabilities in the system and documents them. Just like the black hat hackers, the security expert uses automated tools to find vulnerabilities and then manually tests and verifies them. All the vulnerabilities are then documented for the client. Penetration testing. In this step, the security expert tries to exploit all the vulnerabilities in the system and documents the results. The security expert tries to attack the system just like a black hat hacker. But unlike the black hat hacker, the motive of the security expert is not to harm the organization, but to find out the maximum damage that a black hat hacker can cause if he tries to hack the system. The security experts then documents the exploitability of all the vulnerabilities and makes a proof of concept for all the vulnerabilities. A proof of concept or POC is a document which proves that a vulnerability exists. You'll learn more about them later in the training. Gaining access. In continuation with the previous step, the security expert now uses the vulnerabilities to gain access to internal assets, servers, and data. Privilege escalation. Just like a black hat hacker, the security expert also tries to escalate his access from a normal user to an admin, who has access to all parts and information in the target system. Report generation. Now, the testing part is complete. The security expert compiles a descriptive and well-formulated report of the entire exercise. This contains explanations of the impact of various vulnerabilities found. But wait, the work is not over yet. The next step is patch assistance. Now that the vulnerabilities and their impact has been communicated to the organization decides which ones they want to fix or patch. This depends on the risks involved and also the cost and effort that will be used in patching them. Now the developer patches the vulnerabilities and the security expert assists him in doing so. Revalidation. Now that the developers have patched the vulnerabilities, the security expert needs to recheck if they have been properly patched. And if not, he must assist the developers again in patching them. Okay, so these were the steps followed by white hat hackers who provide security assistance to companies. Don't worry if you don't remember all the steps in a sequence. Just try and understand what is done at each step. Click on Next whenever you are ready.